Hey guys, welcome back to campustech. Today I have an iPhone 8 Plus which is back and front broken. We will do restoration, but this time we will do from the laser machine. So this is a laser machine where you can select the drawing and cover the back cameras because the laser will go all the way. So just focus it so the machine know where to laser. And this is infrared. You have to just align your phone properly and hit the start button for the laser, and you can see it is just melting the glue of the back glass. You can see, so I'm just little focusing. So it has a drawing, so it's go according to the drawing. You'll see a lot of black stuff inside, which is the glue. It is melting actually. See, it is going according to the drawing. So after this, and that's the last one, this is the last step. Here we go. So let's bring into the work desk again. I wear the gloves. Here's a glass breaking tool, so just break a little bit so I can easily lift the glass. So just lift the glass gently. Make sure it goes to upward. If you go for the downward, there's a couple of tiny flexes or the battery option and wireless charger underneath that, so be careful with that. So on the sides, and keep cleaning. See, on the sides, and this sometimes you'll get the big piece and sometimes the small piece. It depends how is it broken. So this is a big piece, and let's clean a little bit, and this time I can take out this whole piece. So here is most of the glass has been removed. So this is a this is a wireless charger, so I'm just removing that thing. So be very careful, just remove all tiny glasses, because otherwise your new glass will not sit properly on it. Clean. So this is the second round of the laser. So same, I'll focus it same, but in this round I'll select the different drawing, and this drawing will actually burn the all remaining glue. Initially it's melted and now it's burning. You can see it is actually removing all glue, and you can as you can see, this is a black thing, but where when it go to the laser and it's getting ashes, you can look at the difference on the bottom of the phone and the top of the phone. So it has a drawing, is go to according to the drawing. So it's done. Let's bring it to the table again. Let's remove the ash. See, you can feel it. This is the ash, or because it's a burn glue. So the sides of the phones are very important, because your glass will sit there. So be careful with that. Don't push too much pressure, because sometimes it has a plastic bezel. If you cut that plastic bezel, your glass will not sit properly. So look at this. I'm just trying to remove every single piece from the back thing. So this is the first thing is gone. So I just change the table, and now it's time to remove the screen. So just open the screen, disconnect from the motherboard. These are the simple steps, and take out the home button plate. This is the one, and this is a earpiece. So just remove the home button, and this is the earpiece. So as you know, the very gently you need to remove, otherwise your Face ID will not work, and your this sensor microphone is also stop working if you messed up with that thing. So be careful, remove that thing. This is a one piece. So after putting everything back onto the new screen, it's fully connected to the screen. So now just connect to the motherboard. So this is a small flex, go the behind, because the one is for the digitizer and the other one is for the display. So the touch is different. So the iPhone 8 Plus has a 2-digit connector. So after installing connecting everything, the touch is working. Make sure everything works before close the phone. So now it's time to put a screen intact with the back body. So this is done. So the first, technically we started the back, but this part is done. So this is the back glass we're gonna put it. So everything is clean. This is a glue you need to use, that adhesive glue. So I install the glue and make sure everything is removed other than the glue. So properly align. You see It goes edge to edge, and no bubble, no, not anything unbalanced. So every touch is working. The back glasses, you can see the superly perfect. So if you like that video, please thumbs up, like my channel, subscribe my channel, and share with your friend. See you in the next video.